Did you know that one of the greatest writers in history wrote his masterpiece while completely broke and desperate? Charles Dickens was drowning in debt when he sat down to write A Christmas Carol. He had 10 weeks to create something that would save his family from ruin. But instead of writing about his own misery, he chose to write about transformation, about a bitter old man who discovers that even the coldest heart can change. Dickens understood what many of us forget today. Your circumstances don't define your story, your choices do. He wrote, "It was the best of times, it was the worst of times," because he knew that both can exist at once. The same moment that breaks you can also remake you. When you're facing your darkest hour, remember this. Scrooge didn't change because his life got easier. He changed because he decided to see differently. Your story isn't over when things get hard. That's often when the real story begins. The question isn't what's happening to you, it's what you're going to do about it.